Hello, in this video we're gonna check performance of a charger that comes with your Doogee S98, and we'll do this by plugging in the charger to the custom smart socket, which will tell us exact statistics of the charging process on this device right here on the left. So right here I have this charger. Now let's plug it in. Now in about 30 seconds we should see the statistics right here, and they need to stabilize, so let's just wait for that process to happen. So all of the stats right here should be stabilized and you can see them right now. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.